So good evening for Magic Kingdom. It is 5:20 and we are just getting to Magic Kingdom. This was our plan today because Magic Kingdom for us is open to 1 a.m. So what we did is we did Genie Plus like we've been doing, and we just stacked a bunch of lightning lanes. So we have 5 lightning lanes already before we get in, and we're gonna start, and it closes at 11, but it's open for Deluxe Guests until 1 a.m. So that's what we're gonna do now, and let's see how it goes. This is our first time using the extra evening hours for Deluxe Guests at Magic Kingdom. So, but it's from 11 to 1. And hey, the Christmas tree is still up. We weren't sure. Christmas tree was down at Epcot, but it is still up at Magic Kingdom. So our first lightning lane is to meet Mickey. So that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna go meet Mickey. Lightning lane is Mickey Mouse. We walked right in. Hi. Okay.
High five, buddy. High five.
Okay, camera's right there, Ryder.
Right over here. Awesome.
Okay. Hi.
Came out.
Already,
it
already came out.
That looks great, huh, buddy?
Yeah, looks great, Ryder. Oh, you already scanned it. There we go. Success. Fantastic. Awesome. So that was so fast. We walked in and made, oh, and there's Cinderella. Look at Cinderella. So again, super fast. Walked in, walked out. I mean, it is 5:40 and we walked in at like 5:20. So, I mean, amazing. So we have 4 lightning lanes left, and I can make another one at 7:03, and I think I can start making them as we use them, but I just checked and my next one is 7:03. And even though it's January 4th, it's still Christmas at Magic Kingdom.
That's right.
So we're gonna take a picture in the front of the Christmas tree because why not? So here's our picture in front of the Christmas tree. And here is Main Street. So again, it is 5:47, perfect weather. Said it was gonna rain, but it looks like we got lucky. So as you can see, it is still very, very much holiday crowds, and also in the hub, Enchantment is at 8:15, so people are scouting out their spots, and hopefully the crowds will start to clear out after Enchantment. That's our hope. And as an added benefit, we get to walk through the castle, which is a lot of times closed because of the stage show. And we get to walk through the castle. I love doing this. We didn't get to do it often enough. So Ryder just brought us into the store, and what are you going to tell us?
The fun fact, those notes, when you turn them into music from Fantasmic.
It's the music from Fantasmic. So it's 10 minutes to 6. Our lightning lane was 5 to 6. This is the standby entrance. Now we're going to, oh, the standby is 100 minutes, and now we're going to go to the lightning lane. So it looks like this is the lightning lane. So if this is the lightning lane, imagine what the regular line looks like. Okay, so it is 6:11. We have been here 50 minutes. We've already done 2 of our lightning lanes, and now we're headed to our 3rd, which is Buzz Lightyear Ranger Spin, and that's at 6:20, I think. So we should head over there now. So we just stopped at a photo stop at the Teacups, which was fun, and now we're headed to Buzz Lightyear for a lightning lane. Not too bad. Not what I wanted, but not too bad. So it is 6:41. We have done 3 rides. Unfortunately, our 4th, which was Space Mountain, has gone down, so we got an anytime. We did get an individual lightning lane for Seven Dwarfs. That's at 7:20. And then at 7 o'clock, we have our last lightning lane, which is for Splash Mountain. So we have that. And then I can start booking another one pretty soon, I think. I think it's 7:03. So a few more minutes, we can book our next one. And then we can go on Seven Dwarfs at 7:15 because it's at 7:20. And so we're doing really good considering the crowds, because the crowds are crazy. So we were gonna do Tomorrowland Speedway because Turn Plan says it's 18 minutes, but there's just no way. The line's all the way over here. So we're gonna go to the Teacups. Ryder says he wants to ride a Teacups. It says it's a 25-minute wait, and it says Turn Plan says it's 21. So hopefully it's not too bad. Okay, so we just got in line. We just got on the Teacups, 7:20, and I just saw a friend in line. It's always fun. How fast are we going, Ryder?
How fast?
Super fast.
You sure?
Yeah.
Daddy can go really fast.
Okay. My husband wants to kill me. He's gonna do this, and then he's gonna throw up later.
You okay?
Yeah.
Woo! Keep going, keep going, keep going.
I'm too old for this.
Sonic super fast, Sonic super fast, Sonic super fast.
Yeah, that was not good. So we're in Splash Mountain to ride for the last time, right?
I've already went.
I've
already went.
We're already went.
We can see everything.
We can see everything.
That's amazing.
It is amazing.
Hey, a malfunction! Our last ride on Splash Mountain, and it's a malfunction. It just stopped. We're still going, but right.
How do we go? No. This time
Look, there's a UMF hamster.
Look, he's in a very comfy home.
Yep.
Splash Mountain with no Splash Mountain.
Okay, I think we stop there. I think we stop at that one.
Oh, this one's still going.
So we got wet, and we didn't really get to experience Splash Mountain the last time because it malfunctioned.
So
So
Ryder's happy as hell.
Ryder's happy because Ryder's been wanting to glitch, so
Yes.
now we got his malfunction.
Wait. I need to That's great.
So we just made it to our reservation at Tony's. This was the last minute. We booked it while we were here, which was great, and we're doing really well. Splash Mountain went down. Ryder was really happy. He's been always wanting to glitch, so he was really happy about that. Tony's will be a separate video, so I'll do a separate video on that since it's a sit-down dinner. But yeah, everything's going really well considering how incredibly packed it is. Things are going really smoothly. Splash going down was, to me, unfortunate because it was going to be the last time we rode it, but Ryder was really excited because he has been wanting a malfunction, so literally that made his night, so, you know. But Space went down, but it's back up. I had gotten 2 lightning lanes for Space, and both of them switched over to Anytime, so we were able to use them. So even though Space went down, that was actually worked out for us because both switched over to Anytime, and then I was able to pick up another one for 10:10. So that gave us 2 extra Anytime lightning lanes. So it's kind of worked out today. I don't know, it's kind of ironic compared to yesterday. So we just finished dinner, it was fantastic, and now we're gonna head to Space Mountain, and Main Street looks beautiful. So here is Main Street, it's still decorated for Christmas. You got Christmas music playing, so it's nice. And I'm putting my $20 Disney Junior Magic Wand to good use. I actually remembered to bring it on the trip. So we've seen a couple of these backdrops still up, so we're gonna go ahead and take one. They're still up for Christmas, which is great.
Your Christmas card.
So we're headed into Tomorrowland. going to Space Mountain, and we just saw that the People Mover is back up. So far it's been a really great night. So now we're headed to Space Mountain, 80-minute wait, but we got the lightning. I'd like to say that I'm raising my kid right because he wants to ride the People Mover, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So we're riding the People Mover. So we just started and it already stopped. And they turned on the lights.
Probably gonna like.
That's not looking good.
We might have to get evacuated off.
Oh,
nope.
Nope.
It's moving.
Maybe, no.
Oh.
We're stopping again.
Are we really?
We're stopping again.
Cool. Right on top of the speed.
From Galaxy F31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles from here on oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Look at that. Yeah, we stopped again. The lights came back on. And obviously, you can hear the screams. We're in the Space Mountain section. So our evening of everything working out to our advantage has completely backfired because we got on the People Mover and this is the 5th time we've broken down. We're currently stuck again in Space Mountain, but we go like 10 feet. Oh, we're moving again.
And we're moving after all.
We're moving after all. But like this is the 5th time it's broken down. So let's see how long it takes us to actually get through this ride. So we just got off the longest People Mover ride ever. It broke down 7 times. 8 times, sorry, 8 times. And so that was the start of our evening extra hours, was getting stuck on the People Mover. So not a great start, but I mean, we've had really good luck this night, so it is what it is. So it is 11:20 and we are now headed to our first real attraction because we were on the People Mover for a half an hour. So now we're headed over to Barnstormer, which is what Ryder wants to ride. So we're just gonna do what he wants to do until we leave. Hopefully he'll fall asleep soon. And here we go. Looks like we're the only people that are gonna be riding it.
Everybody jump out.
So it looks like we're gonna get the whole train to ourselves. Hi. Okay, so we're in.
We have the place all to ourselves.
We have the whole car to ourselves.
We have the whole plane to ourselves. Yes. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Woohoo! Oh.
It's a kiddie coaster, bro.
Yes.
Ourselves.
So we get to ride again.
So we don't have this
We get to ride again.
All to ourselves.
All to ourselves.
other plane.
Pinocchio.
He loves this Magic Band Plus thing. So it's midnight now, or 2 minutes to midnight, and we are going to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train in the regular line. So it's a 35-minute wait. Can't see. There. And Ryder wants to go on the regular line because he's never been able to experience the queue. Words of a 7-year-old. Give the barrel a great big spin. You'll be surprised on the print stop. Ryder's so excited. This is what he wanted. You ready, Ryder?
Yeah. There's a lot of horses this trampoline.
He's the only horse we're gonna get Ray on.
That's right.
Walking through the castle, this is just so pretty. So pretty.
Happy holidays! You did a happy holidays. Christmas. Merry Christmas. And then there's one is probably gonna be up. Now, this is winter wonderful. It really feels like Christmas. I'm just gonna load up. Happy holidays! There you go. Merry Christmas, everybody! And that's their dialogue.
Main Street at
1 a.m.
12:56 p.m.
That was close.
4 minutes left. And the last stop at the confectionery. So this is going to be a quick outro because it is 1:45 in the morning. Extra magic hours, whatever they're called now, at Magic Kingdom was phenomenal. Obviously it's 11 to 1, so it was late, but we didn't get to Magic Kingdom till 5, a little after 5. Did a lot. Was able to have dinner, a nice dinner, and Tony's was fantastic. It was a really great night. So I'm gonna talk about this in a recap of the whole trip, and because I definitely have strategies that I have done for this trip, knowing that there was going to be a lot of crowds, that have definitely worked. So I will be talking about that in a recap, but right now I'm going to bed. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.